I did that. I did that! Today we're making Jamaican roast fish, as the title suggests. First thing we're gonna start off with is cutting some scallions. I'm using 2 strands of scallions. Next, I am going to cut half of an onion. The stuffing that I'm making is to stuff 2 fish. So if you have more fish, you just add more ingredients. Next, I'm going to chop 2 pegs of garlic. And I'm currently cutting a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper along with the seeds. I do not recommend the seeds. If you do not like spicy, remove the seeds. I am going to chop a half of carrot. You do not need a lot of carrot because carrot will reduce the taste of the callaloo. I am going to add the chopped vegetables to 1 cup of fresh callaloo. This, I would recommend using the canned callaloo because it's already cooked. I am going to add a half pack of Grace cock soup, and I'm just sieving it through a strainer to get rid of the noodles. This is totally optional. I'm adding like probably a teaspoon of Grace jerk. This is the mild Grace jerk seasoning. If you do not love your food spicy, you can skip this step. If you do, you can add a little more. This part is important as well. I'm adding half to 1 tablespoon of margarine. Honestly, we never really measure this because, you know, as Caribbean people, you don't measure nothing, you just go with the flow. My fish is already seasoned. I used smoked paprika, fish seasoning, and black pepper. That's all. You don't need a lot of seasoning because your stuffing will have a lot of flavor. I'm stuffing my fish with my callaloo, and I'm stuffing it all the way where stuffing can fit. I'm just putting some butter on my foil. This is to prevent my fish from sticking to my foil paper. Then I'm gonna add my fish on top, and I'm just adding some of the stuffing on top of the fish to, you know, infuse that flavor inside the fish itself. My next step should have been to add some butter on this one, but I forgot. I add 2 sprigs of scallion on top of the fish, but that's optional. Oh, I forgot to mention that I add pimento corns to my stuffing. You can add your pimento because pimento gives a nice flavor. After I seal my fish in the first foil, I add it to a second foil. This is to make sure that the juice does not escape from the fish. See, I'm adding the butter on the fish. Do not skip this step. This is to prevent your stuff from sticking to the foil paper. So when you add the butter grease the foil paper and nothing stick. Make sure you seal the ends of your fish tightly before you put it in the oven because the juice can run out inside your oven and you don't want that. I'm adding both fishes to my baking pan, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake for 40 minutes to 1 hour. This is after 30 minutes. I am just adding some Excelsior water crackers because I love crackers, but you can totally skip this. You don't have to add your crackers, but if you like crackers, then add your crackers. After I seal the fish, I am going to flip them over so that the heat can penetrate the other side of the fish. I'm going to do the same thing for the other fish and then put it back in the oven and let it cook for about 30 to 40 more minutes. So your fish cook between 40 to 1 hour and 15 minutes. It depends on the size of the fish. This is after 40 minutes. No, this is after 50 minutes, sorry. I am seeing my crackers them stick to foil paper because I never added any butter on the crackers. But yeah, that's the fish. This is the second fish. Oh my gosh, the audio is so exciting. I added the real-time audio at the end, just wait for that. But yeah, this is Jamaican roast fish. You can add your okra. I never had any, but adding okra would really be nice. But if you don't like okra, you can skip that as well. But yeah, I'll just let you watch and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. To try it. Oh my gosh, we get to try it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Alright, let me turn it around. I want you guys to see inside the part that's stuffed. So the callaloo, as you can see, it's fully cooked, and the fish is fully cooked, fully cooked. I'm going to have this right now. Let's take up a little callaloo, a little fish. See that? Very, very good. Let me try it. This is delicious. Tasty. This is delicious. So good. If you like fish like me, you should try this recipe. Let's try. I'm not ask guys if this good. Just do one pimento. I tell you, the worst thing than pimento and pimento seed. Jesus. It's right amount of spice, right amount of everything. I'm not ask twice if this good. I tell you, it is. I did that! It's so good! I'm gonna finish eat this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.